Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Debbie, but everybody calls me Cajun. I have an unboxing for y'all. Some diamond paintings from paintsomeway.com. Paint Some Way was kind enough to send me some diamond paintings to unbox for y'all and show y'all. So everything I'm going to talk about is going to be in the description portion of this video down below. And yeah, feel free to click the links and go check them out. They do have a wide variety of diamond paintings, diamond painting pins. There's a whole bunch of stuff on their website. So go check them out and yeah, they have some nice stuff. I think y'all would like their items. Just like anybody else, all the other budget-friendly companies, they do have a wide variety of sizes in diamond paintings. So it's not just like the sizes I'm showing. They do have a wide variety of sizes, styles, types, etc. So anywho, yeah, y'all go check them out and everything's gonna be in the description portion of this video. Let's get started. So I hope everyone's doing good. I hope y'all doing okay. I'm a little sick. I've been sick for a few days with the sinus deal. So I'm taking infection medicine. Just getting better. So yeah, hopefully it goes away because it's annoying. If I can get this first diamond painting out, I'm on the struggle bus. Oh, no wonder. The paper's stuck. Ugh. The diamond painting paper was stuck. Okay, so this is a round drill. Excuse me, my nose itches. This is a round drill diamond painting, and it comes with a diamond painting pen, a boat, and a plate of wax. It's got everything you need to diamond paint. So you don't have to worry about not having anything. This is a round drill, like I said, diamond painting. I thought it was so cute. It's small. And I just liked it. So I decided that, hold on, let me fix the camera. I decided that I was going to get it because it's so cute. I love the colors. So this is a 30 by 30 and it's Christmas. It's a Christmas cup. Has a candy cane, a snowman. It's red with a snowflake. It has 20 colors, and it does include the DMC codes on the side of the colors. I love this. It's so cute. Look at the drill field. It's real clear. The drill field is clear. I hope you guys can see it because my lighting is not that great right now. I do want a ring light. This weekend, I'm ordering a ring light. I should have ordered it for Cyber Monday, but you know, it happens. So this is the drill field. It's very clear. The symbols, you can see it. I love look how cute the little, I guess I'm thinking it's like a fir tree or something. I don't know, I don't know, but it's cute. This is really cute. Look, the little snowman. I love the little snowman. But let's check the stickiness. So the stick is good on it. Very good, actually. It's really, really sticky. And like I said, it's a 30 by 30 round drill. And this one, let's see. This one is, right now, it's $4.99 on their website. And I'm going to put it in the description portion of this video. Everything, like I said, will be linked in the description portion of this video. So y'all can go check it out. Now I'm going to show y'all the drills. Oh gosh. So these forgive me for the noise. I'm not going to take them out. Too noisy. So these are the color drills, and they're in the little bitty packages. The little clear packages, as you can tell. They're not in the like zip baggies. They're just in regular packages. But these are some of the colors. And the drills seem to look good. Y'all, excuse my fingernails. The drills seem to look really good. They are fall colors. They got some burgundies and, of course, some whites because, you know, the snowflakes and stuff. But these are a lot of fall colors, and I think they're very pretty. I love them. And like I said, the drills seem to, I never really have trouble with any budget-friendly sites drills. Like, I really never do. Very rarely I'll have trash in them. I mean, there is some, but there's not going to be, I don't find a lot in them. I don't know. Just me, I guess. So that's the first one. So cute. Very Christmassy. I thought it was so cute because y'all know me and my coffee and my hot chocolate and my pretty little mugs and all these things. So now we're going to get to this one. And this one also came with a plate of wax, a boat, and a pen, a one-placer. And it is a round drill. And let me kind of get this one to fly flat. All right, so this one is also a 30 by 30 round drill. It is Santa Claus. Y'all, look how cute Santa Claus is. He's so cute. The drill field is clear. I love it. He has presents and he has a cute glove and cute gloves. Look how cute. He's so cute. Love it. Look his face. His face is adorable. I'm trying to make sure y'all see it. They do have a lot of color blocking right here because it's a lot of white. But y'all, he's so cute. I love him. And it has 19 colors. And they do have the DMC codes on the sides of the colors. So it does have 19 colors, y'all. And then they also have the legend at the top. So top left and bottom right. Y'all, a canvas is not as hard as most. They have nice, this canvas is pretty neat. Really nice. We're going to check the stickiness on it. Pretty sure it's good. Yes. Very good stickiness. That's what I like. I love this. This Santa is so adorable. Look. It's so cute, y'all. And this is a round drill. Like I said, these are the colors and they come in Ziploc baggies. I love it when they come in Ziploc baggies, y'all. It's so easy to do. If you don't have a kit to kit up, these are very easy to work with. You don't have to kit them up. Like, I'll kit up all my kits, but I really like this idea. I love it. And these are the colors. Lots of fall, Christmassy colors. A lot of white, of course, because you do have a lot of color blocking. And like I said, the drills look pretty good. Of course, you don't know exactly how much trash that they do have in them until you dump, you know, till you're working on the painting. But I have never, ever came across a lot of trash in these. Like, very seldom. So, like I said, I love it. And here it is one more time. It's so cute. And it is a 30 by 30. So that's number 2. And we have one more. They're all so cute. I really want to work on one of these for Christmas, like start it now, because I think they're so cute. I just have an event going on, so it's hard for me to do more than one at a time. So I have an event going on my channel. This one also comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. It's a one placer as well. There's a round drill. Oh yeah, by the way, the Santa Claus is $4.99. $4.99 also on their website. And this one is a snowman. And it has 20 colors. And look how cute he is, y'all. Look his scarf. I love how it's so stinking cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. And it says, let it snow. They do have a lot of color blocking, a lot of red. This is a round drill. It's a round drill, and it is 30 by 40 centimeters. 30 by 40 centimeters. Look how cute. Y'all, it's so cute. They have 20 colors. Yes, 20 colors, and it does include the DMC codes on the side. Look how cute, y'all. This is just so cute. The drill field is clear. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so cute. I really love it. I love snowmen. Like, you know, for Christmas, I love snowman diamond paintings. I really like the colors. Look, the colors are very rich. Like, I mean, they're deep. Like, I love it. So clear. They have a legend on the top left and a legend on the bottom right. It looks to me like you should have no problems with the symbols. They're all letters. Very simple. And we're going to check the stickiness. Check the stickiness on them. The symbols are clear. Y'all look. Yes, that's what I like. I like it when it's sticky so that the drills stay on here. And so let's get to the drill colors. Okay, so these come in the bags, in these bags that you split. And look at these colors. Y'all, they're so pretty. I'm gonna take some of these out. So forgive me for the noise. If you don't like the noise, hold your ears. Because I really want to see all these colors. Lots of red for sure. I know I'm not going to be able to put these back, but you know. A lot of reds, but it's a deep red. I love it. Yes. Yes, yes. Greens. Some more reds. Yep. Some more reds. Definitely a lot of reds. Whites. Some black. I'm going to flip it. Some burgundy, a lot of deeper reds, burgundies. This is probably for the background. Some pinks. So yeah, this is a lot of reds and burgundies. Some greens, grays, and beiges. Beige colors, some grays. Some mustard color. That's what I call it. So yes, I was just curious to see how many packs of red they sent me. But yeah, can you imagine? I love it. Let me put this back. Pull your ears. It's noisy. It's so cute. Excuse me. So here it is again. And like I said, it's a 30 by 40 round drill. And it is $4.99 on their website. Love it. I love it. It's so cute. And I'm going to show them to y'all again. And then this is the Santa. The Santa Claus. The Santa Claus. This is the thumbnail for the Santa. So cute. So stinking cute. I love it. And then we have the Christmas cup. Oops. A Christmas cup with the little snowman. Y'all, that's cute. I love these colors. It's gonna be so cute worked up. So I'm gonna start one of these because I really wanted to work on a Christmas one. And so I'm gonna start working on probably one of these. More than likely, I'll probably start the smallest one first while I'm doing my event canvas. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the like button. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a great week. Bye.